Our land within the United States is very beautiful, unique, and symbolic of what our country stands for. Within the United States of America, there is an abundance of physical features that make up our great country. Today we're going to focus on Georgia Performance Standard Geography 1A. This requires students to locate the major physical features of the United States. This includes the Atlantic Coastal Plain, Great Plains, Continental Divide, the Great Basin, Death Valley, the Gulf of Mexico, the St. Lawrence River, and the Great Lakes. When we look at maps, there are two types of maps that we use. A physical map shows the location of a physical feature, such as landforms, bodies of water, or resources, while a political map shows cities, states, or countries. We are going to begin with the Atlantic Coastal Plain. The Atlantic Coastal Plain is the lowland area that borders the Atlantic Ocean in the eastern United States. It has excellent harbors and is home to many people. The Great Plains are a flat area in the middle of the United States. They are located on the western part of the interior plains. It consists of grasslands with no trees. The Continental Divide is an imaginary line in the United States that is home to the Rocky Mountains. Rivers of the eastern side of the Continental Divide flow to the Atlantic Ocean or the Gulf of Mexico. The rivers on the western side of the Continental Divide flow to the Pacific Ocean. The Great Basin is a natural feature located west of the Rocky Mountains and east of the Sierra Nevada and Cascade Mountains. It is home to Death Valley. Death Valley is world-renowned for its extremes, home to our nation's driest, hottest, and lowest place in the United States. It is surrounded by mountains that are over 11,000 feet high that experience below zero weather and snow. The Gulf of Mexico is a body of water that is located between the eastern coast of Mexico and the western coast of Florida. It has warmer water than the Atlantic Ocean. The St. Lawrence River has very important rivers that flow through northeastern Canada. It is a major transportation area for ships bringing goods into Canada and the United States. The Great Lakes are made up of 5 lakes: the Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. They are located in the northern part of the United States and southern Canada. They are the largest freshwater lakes in the world. These 8 major physical features, amongst others, are what make our country so beautiful and unique.